Today, I'm going to show you guys how to change the headlights in a Chevy Express. So here's the old lights, and these are going to be the new ones. Step number one, what we want to do is we want to pop the hood of the van itself. So go inside the driver's side door, go underneath the seat, and then hit the hood latch. Then go ahead and lift the hood. There should be a bracket over here to hold it up. Then what we need to do next, step number two, is we need to remove these bolts right here. These are 10mm bolts, so get yourself a socket and ratchet. Remember, lefty loosey, righty tighty. So there should be two bolts, one right here, and then the other is right here. Step number three, what we want to do here with the headlight is gently massage it out. You may have to kind of push down on the assembly to kind of get it free of this part of the fender. Then what you need to do here is the next step, we need to twist the headlight bulbs and then twist it and then pull it out. And then twist this one as well and pull it out. Then next what we need to do here is grab your new headlight assembly and install the bulbs just like you took them out. I just upgraded the headlight bulbs just so you guys know. It's also a good idea to do that when changing the housings. I'll throw a link in the description to my favorite bulbs. So the next step, all we do is put the bulbs into the assembly where they go. It'll line up perfectly once you get it, and then you just twist it. Same for the other one. Get in the housing, and then twist it. And then what you want to do here is kind of line this stuff up, push it in. Make sure these bolt holes line up right here, and then put your bolts back in where they go. Put that one right there. And next what we want to do here is tighten the bolts. Then go ahead and turn on the headlights on the Chevy Express to make sure they work. As you can see here, this is the difference. That light versus that light. So hopefully this video helped you learn how to change the headlamps or the headlight on the Chevy Express.